Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info Systems, your ultimate source for all ERP solutions. Today we will be talking about exportsaleorderportal in Odoo. Exportsaleorderportal is custom app developed by Kanak Info Systems. You can find it in Odoo apps. Just go to Setting, User and Companies, User, Mitchell Admin. Here you can see access to exports feature. Enable this and save it. Navigate to website. My account. Sales order. Here you can see export sale order button. Click here. By adding dates you can export sale order between that dates. Click here. Here you can see all sale order. Export single sale order, you can click here. Either click here. Here you can see single sale order. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.